Yo, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to create a title that sells for Thanksgiving. Let's get into the computer. All right guys, so we're here in the back end of Merch by Amazon. All right, so the thing that we're gonna be focusing on is title and brand, okay? The most important thing in the example is Thanksgiving, right? And if you guys haven't checked out the previous video that I did about finding a niche for Thanksgiving, it'll be up here. Design ideas for Thanksgiving will be right up here. So we have this right here. Pizza Instead, right? This is a top selling shirt, Pizza Instead. So, all right, straight to the point. You can see that this has a good BSR. It's ranking. We're gonna come over here to keywords. I'm gonna use a tool called Celebro with from Helium 10. Okay, you don't have to use this. You can use the search bar over here. So don't think you have to pay for that dang tool. So just come over here and use the search bar too as well. But the thing is, I like to look at data. It's gonna tell me what keyword, what long tail keyword this shirt is selling for. I mean, well, the potential long tail keyword, or whatever the phrase, right? The phrase right here, which is, it's misspelled. It's probably me trying to look for a shirt on Amazon and I misspell it because I suck at spelling. So Thanksgiving t-shirt for men, boys, Thanksgiving shirt, ranking number 3. So most likely this, you can see they're misspelling it, but it has a search volume. People making money off of keywords that are misspelled over here, right? So it's popping up. Funny pizza shirt. And then you can see right here, Thanksgiving shirt for boys. This one is right here. Search volume is crazy, right? As you can see. So let's kind of go more broad because it's like pizza Thanksgiving. So let's do that, right? Eat pizza shirt. Okay, here we go. That right there. That's what we're going to target for at the beginning, okay? Eat pizza shirt. You can see it's starting to trend right now, obviously, because of Thanksgiving, of course. Now you can see, let's see if it pops up. Oh, boom, boom. It's starting to pop up. You can see the results. Matches over here almost, but you can see it's kind of increasing. So the goal is to rank for that keyword, right? So what we're going to do is the thing that we're going to target is eat pizza. So eat pizza. This exact phrase too, by the way. Eat pizza shirt, right? So that's your goal. Eat pizza shirt. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. Okay, well, now what other long tail keyword are we going to try to target after this, right? This is only for a shirt too, by the way, the product of a shirt on Merch by Amazon. So let's come back in here. So what we're looking for is probably more targeted, like it's going to be more of a general phrase towards the very end. And we're going to probably have to open this up a little bit, but a more general phrase towards the end so we can capitalize on this niche, because once we start ranking for that the keyword at the beginning, eat pizza, we want to eventually rank for the longer tail keywords with more competition, and that's how you get the sales volume going, right? Because if you go in there like very broad long tail keyword, it's still a long tail keyword like that with a lot of competition, it will have no chance of ranking at all. So I know that this shirt can be for boys, for men, for women, and for girls, right? But we have to be more targeted with the keywords that we're putting in here, because that's going to give us the best chance of making the first sell. All right, let's go back to the beginning because we kind of got lost over there. So let's take this off. All right, apply again. Boys, men, Thanksgiving shirt for boys. Okay, so this is kind of like what we're trying to rank for. So what I would do after that right here, Thanksgiving, men, boys, gift. All right, gift it's a big search phrase. Women, you can see it's in here. Boys, so like, and it's important to have the exact phrase in there because that will help you rank too. Turkey, eat pizza. Right here we go. Now we're getting somewhere. So turkey. See how we did that right there? So we're kind of hitting a few different keywords, but this right here, this search phrase, turkey, eat pizza, right? You can see by doing that, and we know that when we added this phrase in here, we're still hitting pretty much these two phrases. So this phrase at the beginning that we found, and then we're going to add this up here too as well. Because we're hitting this phrase, and then we found that, and we know that we're going to hit all this phrase and this phrase, and that's going to help us basically rank for 2 phrases in one. Now that we're looking at this in a little bit more, boys, Thanksgiving shirt, you can see it's a huge search volume. If the design is really good, right? So the illustration's the best in there, it's going to help us rank even more. So cut that right there. Now we're not putting shirt right here because it's going to auto populate it in here. And you guys can see how I was doing it as I coming up with more ideas. But the main goal is to target the main, like you want to get that keyword in there first with the very little competition, because it takes a little bit more digging, and then you can go broader with the ending of the title. Like that will kind of help you rank eventually for the keywords that you're trying to look for. So, all right. So what about the bullet point 1, bullet point 2? I would literally get some long tail keywords inside here. Target 2 long tail keywords in bullet point 1. Target 2 different long tail keywords in bullet point 2. Put 2 sentences, 3 sentences, whatever you can fit in here, right? Copy bullet point 1, bullet point 2, and put it into the description to help you rank on Google later on. So hopefully this video helped. Any questions? Comment down below. Hopefully this helped you understanding the algorithm to a different level, okay? And this is how you get in front of people, create less competition for yourself, and make more sales, make more money.